At APITech, we design and build technologies that support some of the world's most essential industries: space, defense, medical, industrial, communications. And while we provide innovative solutions, our employees' impact goes beyond the manufacturing of our products. Their important work helps our customers to explore deep space, accelerate the rollout of 5G around the world, alert our military forces to potential threats, and develop medical devices that help save lives. We combine expertise in engineering, manufacturing, operational excellence, and everything in between to design and build products that solve customer problems. Our mission is to innovate, design, and deliver high-reliability products every day. And to fuel this mission, we are developing a new APITech, one where we have implemented foundational and leadership principles that guide our decision-making, where managers are asked to be the leader they would want to work with, where we invest in employees through training and professional development, where every employee is encouraged to be the talent developer, where actions and behaviors that improve our business are recognized and rewarded, where our differences enhance our strengths, and where we hire people who bring their personal best every day. What we accomplish, the problems we solve, the impact we have is a credit to our talented and dedicated employees. We are the electromagnetic spectrum innovator, APITech. 70 years of manufacturing heritage and a boundless future. Join us and launch your career today.